So in this Discord tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a custom status here on the Discord application. So once you open up Discord, go to the bottom right to the U icon. Once you're here where it says add status, you can either go ahead and press on add status to add a status, or what you can also do as well is hold down your icon right here, go to where it says change online status, go to the bottom, press on set a custom status. So what's on your mind? If I want to say having fun, I'll go ahead and press on save. You can clear after today just like that. I'll go ahead and press on save. And there you go. You've now added a custom status to your Discord account. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to add a custom status on Discord. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.